series of courses on Forex trading, we would learn how to understand and predict the market trends through technical analysis. Let's begin with learning the concept of moving average, or MA in MT4. Moving average is a lagging indicator that shows the arithmetic average price of the exchange rate over a period. There are 4 different types of moving averages, including the simple moving average, the exponential moving average, the smoothed moving average, and the weighted moving average. Simple moving average, SMA. The simple moving average, SMA, is gotten by dividing the total closing prices by the number of periods. It often results in a trending curve. Today's 5-day MA, for instance, is gotten by dividing the sum of the past 5 days' closing prices by 5. The 5-day and 10-day MAs are the most common short-term MAs. The 20-day, 30-day, and 60-day MAs are commonly used as medium-term MAs.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.